Hey everyone, my name is Ali Reza, and finally after some couple of weeks I have another tutorial about Keyshot for you guys. Look at here. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make such a material for our glasses. If you are ready, let's get it started. So let's go to Keyshot and import your model. We want to change this white material here, which is diffuse. I want to change the type to plastic transparent, which is here. Now open material graph. For here, right click and in utilities import a color adjust and switch that to specular transmission. Now double click on it and double click on your plastic transparent and change it to black. Now let me change here. Okay, now again right click here and for texture import a texture map and connect it or switch it to the color. For the texture, open your internet and search tortoise shell texture, and in image you can see so many textures here, but I recommend you to download this one, which is better than others. When you downloaded that, save it into your desktop and then double click on your texture map and open your texture here. So this is not what we want. Now right click and in textures open a or import a color gradient and switch that to contrast. Now this one is box, it is better. Let me change my color gradient. Okay, change it to view direction and now you can see the result. Not bad, but we have to play with those settings more and more for getting better render and looking. I want to scale it down a little bit, or no, maybe more. Yes, it is getting better. Absolutely. So here I know, let me reduce this one a little bit. I want to make it more white and increase this one a little bit if you want to make it greener, but not good. Yes, so here we go and double click on your texture. We have nothing to do here. On your color gradient, let's make it a little bit darker, something between these two. So this is what we have. I told you you can play with those settings more for getting better renders and change it whatever that you want. Have a great time.